So today's question is, how do I make my caravan mattress more comfortable? Again, it's one we get asked quite often because if budget is a problem and you can't afford to upgrade to a full new mattress, then what are the alternatives? So the most obvious thing is a memory foam topper. So we offer three different types. We offer the cool gel, we offer the 2-inch memory foam and the 3-inch memory foam, and each of those will make a big difference. Obviously, if heat is an issue, then the cool gel is going to be the best one. If you want more comfort, then the 3-inch is going to be the best one, and if you just want a level of comfort, the 2-inch is ideal. But also there's something else to consider. One of the things that probably isn't realised is if you put bed linen on that is specifically made for your mattress, that makes a big difference too, because it doesn't rock up through the night, it doesn't move, because it fits perfectly to your mattress. It means that it stays in place all the time, so you're not, as you move about through the night, the sheet stays in place. But not only that, you can also add another layer of comfort by putting a protector underneath. Now obviously they're designed to protect the mattress, but they do add a layer of comfort also.